Welcome back to my channel, guys. It is Vlogmas day 15 and here I am again in front of the Christmas countdown calendar. So we are going to move from 12 days until Christmas to 11 days until Christmas. Just stay tuned for what I have in today's video. Today's video is possibly going to be a very short video, and I do apologize about that ahead of time. Again, make sure you are subscribed so you can have a chance at winning the giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and turn on your post notifications so you are notified anytime that I post a video on my channel. Again, thank you for tapping in again to another video, and just stay tuned for what I have in store next. Look at him. Now you looking good. No, I don't like that at all. Ew.
There you go.
I can't have any.
What does it taste like?
That's disgusting.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like just cinnamon.
I put too much in it. That's how it's pretty good.
That's nasty.
Caramel.
Oh, if you would have got it, I wouldn't have got it.
Caramel good.
Yeah, but that tastes like cinnamon.
Don't count your days, Arby's. That ain't lasting.
That's disgusting.
It's probably gonna make it a holiday drink.
Yeah. What is it called? Like a cinnabon what? Caramel cinnabon?
Cinnamon shake. Caramel cinnamon shake. They put a lot of salt on these fries.
Yeah.
When are you gonna call me?
Oh, yeah.
God damn, that was salty as hell. Because diabetes.
High
Was
blood
that from
pressure.
sugar?
Yeah, diabetes is from sugar.
Yeah, my bad.
High blood pressure. I'm gonna grab you a sandwich.
I'll be my guest. You got him over your mouth with me on fire.
Yeah, it's mom's house.
You said you're getting the girls good.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no, I ain't eating this one, look. Somebody tried to poison me. Where's the other one at? It's in your bag?
I thought she gave you more rice in that bag, yeah.
Yeah, they probably tried to drug me, dog. Excuse me.
That's crazy. I think it might just be all with this stuff down here.
It is, go up.
You wanna try it?
Nope.
I said enough for you.
Nope. I got my own problems over here.
Is the ranch already on there?
Fire. Yeah, a little bit. A little bit of fire.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. It's that stuff. Cause I just sucked my straw right here. And they pulled it straight up from the bottom. That stuff nasty, whatever that is.
Cinnamon. That's just pure cinnamon. What they'd probably do is put it at the bottom of the cup first.
I like burning up your throat though.
One of them, boy. I said it's spicy. Arby's did that.
What happened?
Mouth is on fire. I'm Brady step north. I guess we can go to PetSmart up in Polaris.
Okay. You are. Yeah.
Wanna do that like
It seems like they're trying to fill it out. Oh, those the ones you bought? Some thermometers.
That's what I said they don't have. They for regular 4 years thing.
Yeah. Scared about jump up?
Watch that nigga.
The 5-gallon tank, but he got one that jump. Yeah.
Let's see what they do.
Yeah. We was at the one around the corner from his house.
He ate it.
Yeah. Oh, he like to eat.
He know. He know where to get it at.
I'm surprised he eat guppies. I mean, I ain't surprised, but I'm just like, that's wild.
He dumb. Green one dumb. Damn, look at the food falling.
That's the filter over there. Right.
Yeah, he ain't hungry.
The green one? Yeah. The red one looking for it, but he don't know where it's at. He like snatch and go. He go up there, snatch and swim down to the bottom of the tank.
Well, probably because they know the food falls.
think he think it's a setup.
Maybe I should try just a hair more. But now they are still floating at the top.
Yeah, they are.
Okay.
It changed the Eastern sign because it used to be a different color than the green and red.
This is like dark.
Very good. Carry on. The world needs you for your greatest role yet. Who are you? I'm your new manager.
The whole movie.
There's a sensitive and awkward situation between you and your sister-in-law.
Actually, my sister-in-law.
Something black.
Isn't that it? You made that quite evident.
Black.
No need to be nervous.
No reason to be nervous.